Hi, introducing the Honeywell PC42T printer. This is a 4-inch wide desktop printer designed to print low volumes of labels. It prints in both direct thermal mode, which is without a ribbon, and thermal transfer mode, which is with a ribbon for durability. Today I'm going to show you how to load ribbons and labels into this printer. So first what you want to do is open the lid just by pushing in these two buttons here at the front. Then when loading your label, you just want to insert this red core through the middle of your core and slot it into the back. Then release the two front tabs to feed the labels through the bottom. You just want to make sure that the labels are sitting under the two red teeth here at the front and that the labels sit slightly out over the roller. You should have received two spindles in your box for ribbons. Place the empty core onto the spindle and insert with the flat side onto the right facing the printer. You want to place this one on the front and engage the slots on the left side. The ribbon should be ink out to suit this printer. When loading the ribbon into the printer, the shiny side should be facing up. What you want to do is make sure that these notches link up to the left side and this flat side here on the right is on the right side when you're facing the printer. Then you want to find the sticky bit and unwind that and stick that onto the empty core. Then you want to wind it back a little bit. Then you can close this part here, close the lid, switch on the printer and wait for a green light and it will automatically feed.